Good morning, everyone. So what you'll notice over the next few days is that the chickens don't change a lot. They'll start to grow a little bit. They'll start to come outside of the air plate or the heat plate a little bit more often. When they hear our voice, they'll come out. But really, they just like to sit and gather underneath and cuddle. And I'll see if I can't get us a little sneak peek under there. Hello, chickies. Hello. They're just kind of under there staying warm. They'll come out and get a snack when they need some food. Food's still in good shape here. Their water's in good shape. What will be fun is when they start getting big enough to get on top of the hot plate, and you'll see them jumping up and down. But right now, all 15 are still doing great and getting their morning drink. So we'll check in with them a little bit later this afternoon.